Hi everyone. So today I'm going to discuss how to know when to quit on something and when not to quit. So we all try different things, right? Some things work, something don't work, right? And it's very important to know when to let go of something, right? Or when to quit on something and when to not, right? So I'm just going to share my opinion and you guys can share your opinion as well. So I think if you truly love something and you're not earning something from it, then you should not quit on that particular thing, okay? Because you can find a way how to earn uh, money also from that particular thing. All right, like in my case, I love speaking, I love inspiring, and I loved creating inspiration videos. But for first 2 years I did not earn, but that's okay. All right, so because everything takes time in life, nothing is overnight. Also, I read in Everything in Figureoutable that it took Elizabeth Gilbert 10 years, like she did not earn anything from her writing. So that's very long time. And also I read about one more writer, I think Stephen Pressfield, and he did not earn for almost 17 years from writing, but they continue because they, of course, they truly loved what they do, right? And the world needed the message, right? So even I also sometimes create videos without makeup because I know my message is for someone and my message might go ahead and help someone, right? Or make them happy, or they might come out of the difficult situation they might be facing in their life. So my makeup sometimes does not matter, right? So that's what I want to say, that if you truly love something, never quit on that particular thing. All right, however, if you are doing something for a very long time and you don't love it anymore, not you are earning something from it, then you can go ahead and see what else you love. All right, then you can go ahead and try something new, maybe, and then it's a time for you to go ahead and see what else you love, and you can also earn something from it. All right, and sometimes you can try 2 3 things as well. It's not that that you should go ahead and do one thing at one time only. I don't believe in that. All right, so I'm a multi-passionate entrepreneur and I believe that we can do everything we love. All right, and we should not go ahead and try to fit ourselves into a box. So I'll share my journey, like when I started coaching, and so then I saw like how other life coaches are, and I was trying to fit in that life coach box. And so when you try to fit in any box, you don't feel happy actually. So I realized I was not feeling much happy because I love other things as well, right? So yeah, so I believe you can do all things you love and you should never try to fit yourself into a box. As long as you truly love something, you can find a way to earn from that particular thing as well. And if you don't love it and you're not earning anything from it and you're just doing it maybe for money, and you are not at all happy in that particular thing, then I think you can find something which you truly love. Maybe you can do it for 1 hour 2 hour a day, or maybe you can start that thing in weekend and keep your job. Don't quit your job. I won't say that you quit your job. So you can continue your job as well, and you can continue something which you love as well. And you never know when you start earning from something from what you truly love, and you can make it as a career as well. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. I hope that is enough for today. Bye bye, take care guys.